Palantir announced their earnings, and it was very impressive to the street. And I am very impressed with their earnings. They grew much more than the market expected. They grew in the fourth quarter by 36%, for the full year by 52%. Their free cash flow was a little bit higher than I expected at $1.14 billion for the full year. Overall, this stock is incredible. They're really growing, but it's not all that big. Their revenue line isn't the biggest you'd come across. The analysts that are looked at on stockanalysis.com have the stock overpriced by 47%. When I look at my valuation of the company, I updated all the figures that I got from their earnings. I still have the stock priced 60% too high. And when we look at DeepSeek AI, it's priced 91% too high. Meta AI calculates that this stock is priced 79% too high, and ChatGPT 89% too high. So across the board, most analysis reveals that if I use fundamental analysis, I just don't get to the valuation of this company. But investors love this stock, and it keeps growing and it keeps impressing. So this stock is going to continue to work. We can't value Palantir using the tools that I use, which I use for big companies, small companies, companies like Meta, companies like Robinhood, and it yields a good result overall for me. But Palantir is a unicorn. It's very different. It's a very popular stock. And I want to congratulate all the stockholders who own the stock and have stayed with the stock. That's quite a conviction that you exhibited. And I congratulate you on the gains. The stock is up more than 20% in after hours, and investors deserve that bump. Good luck on the next quarter. Let's see how Palantir performs in 2025.